Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on a teaser that got released few days ago, and due to our health condition we were not able to give our reaction on that. So we thought let's give today, and this is a Thuramukam official teaser.
Yes. So this is a Malayalam movie, and we have Nivin Pauly, Nimisha Sajayan, Rajiv Rabi, and Shukumar Thikapet.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm so sorry because of the pronunciation. And yeah, let's get started. I think this movie is going to be super fun to watch, like the teaser, of course. So let's get started. We'll be talking more about that. But उससे पहले अगर आप हमारे चैनल पे नए हैं तो please subscribe our channel and also please click on the notification bell.
Yes, and also please follow us on Instagram.
Yeah, so let's get started.
Yes.
സാറ് സൈത്താനാണെങ്കിൽ നന്നായി പ്ലീസ്.
His eyes. Wow. I was getting goosebumps. Wow.
Yes. So they were mostly fighting against that British. And this is the movie is of time of between 1923 to 1957 related to that, and it's happened on some harbor and something. Right?
It related to the issues of happened, like issues of harbor mainly. So I really like the concept. This concept always like make you like thrilled. Every time, like if you see this kind of movie which is based upon some that one freedom fighting,
or
you know,
I'm not sure
time.
it will be freedom fighter exactly or not, but I think during those time whatever the conflicts or a lot of the things used to happen, those things it will be able to see in the real life.
And I'm sure that this movie is like having a lot of emotional scenes. So if you are a very kind, like soft-hearted kind of a person, you might like feel very sad, just like me, because I always cry. like whenever I get emotional, I cry. So this movie, I think if I'll sit, I'll cry for sure. कोई भी अगर ऐसा टाइप का मूवी मैं देखने बैठती हूँ ना, मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा आता है, मैं इमोशनल फील करती हूँ उन लोगों के लिए जो हमारे लिए इतने लड़े, मर गए, शहीद हुए. ठीक है. So I think
we'll be able to feel those things, like how our forefathers generally fought for us, right? And what issues they have faced, a lot of the things. I think around that only it will be this movie, and it will be of course a great thing to watch also, because how they lived, what was their problem, what was their issues. I think we will be able to see through our eyes with this movie.
Like from this movie we got to, like, we will get to know a lot more things. Like this kind of movie, if properly made, I'm telling, because a lot of movies are there which like concept wise you will think that okay, this movie is going to be a really good movie, but sometimes like the storyline and every single thing, they always change, okay, because of some political pressure and something like that. There are a lot of movies, like I'm not telling about any particular movie, but if they will cover each and every like real fact whichever actually have happened in the past, then that kind of movie, like, you will like make you feel a lot more thrilled, and you will just tell, okay, I have seen one movie today,
right? And
like
I think with those concepts, if they build also, it will be very easy for the students also to memorize a lot of the things. Visualizing history content is always better than studying in the books.
And also like youngsters should learn. Youngsters of India should know about all of this contribution, right? Their मतलब उन लोगों का जो भी वो लोग किए हैं, हम लोगों को प्रेस करना चाहिए, हम लोग को जानना चाहिए, and also we should, like, we are a medium, okay, to spread all of these things. Like, yes, we are feeling very happy every single time, like this, fact for this fact.
Going to release only in Malayalam.
Only in Malayalam,
because they haven't told that this movie is going to release in other languages. So,
but if it will be having subtitles, then
Of course,
well, I'm good.
You will be loving it.
Yes.
Yes.
I really love the fact at the very end when the he was like, I think he is Nevin maybe. So his eyes were like red. He was
due to anger,
anger, emotion, every single thing. His eyes was speaking a lot.
Yes.
Like he has faced a lot, he has suffered a lot, and his eyes was completely like you don't need to understand the whole language.
Yes,
his eyes only is speaking. मतलब होता है ना कि silence is the roarer.
Yes.
This is kind of like that. Silence is the
you
best roar.
You can speak with your silence as
Yes,
well.
yes. So मुझे लगता है कि ये मूवी में बहुत सारा ब्रिटिश का राज जो भी है, their torture,
it's covered of 1923
right?
That time, so it will be the torture of Britishers also.
हाँ.
A lot of the politics will be, and
involved.
hopefully we'll be able to see how some of the bad people from India itself, they are doing bad things against the people of India. I think it will be there.
It will be there, maybe there.
Right.
हाँ, but we are not sure that कौन सा वाला issue, like issues
harbor issues
in harbor means
right?
like
Some
which
port,
kind of issue?
Seaport, maybe a lot of the things are coming from outside, or they are
Illegally.
illegal things is happening
maybe.
on the harbor, and all
हो सकता
they are taking out the rights of the people. A lot of the things, a lot of the issues are there.
And also British Raj जो थे,
Yes, of course.
Britishers
You
are
can't grow.
taking like advantage of that.
Yes.
Maybe. So out of that, all of these things, I think this whole haphazard kind of situation has been happened, and I think this movie is on that only.
Or it may be something like that British they generally used to drain out a lot of the resources from our country.
Yes, true.
Maybe those things can be there. Means mostly they used to drain out through that harbor, that port only. Maybe it can happen.
Right? Can be happened.
We are just judging. We don't know.
Just judging, telling our views, which we are thinking, because this is a very small teaser, 1 minute teaser. This is not even trailer, so very tough to understand the whole context out of it. But yes, whenever the trailer will be getting released, we will be like, we have to give the reaction on this,
and also we'll be able to understand a lot of more different things.
Yeah, and one more thing I just would like to tell here, like I really love the whole picturization. It was covering पूरा उस time का ज़माने का 90s. It was like completely like that. The dress, the get up. One lady was there, I think Nimisha. Her get up was like, her eyes was very beautiful, and the way she was like expressing the sari and everything, like it was looking, it was a soothing like to the eyes. Treasure to the eyes actually,
because they were not looking like they are some big brand ambassador or something like that.
I really love this kind of.
They were looking like a poor kind of guys there, which they generally Indians used to be during those times.
उस टाइम का जो घर था, उस टाइम का रास्ता, उस टाइम का गली मोहल्ला, it was like covering all of this thing. So hats off to the director actually because of this execution.
Yes, recreating
really love the execution.
Very tough.
Very tough.
Times recreation.
Yeah.
You'll not get the resources also to recreate. Getting the vehicles and different things to recreate those times. It's very tough.
And also one more thing I really love. I just want to narrate here. Inqilab Zindabad. I really love that. Okay, I think this is the showstopper of everything. Right? So I think बहुत अच्छा लगा यार हमें.
Flag and all was there, so maybe that labor's right and all it will be there,
Union Association kind of हो सकता है. बहुत कुछ हो सकता है यार. मतलब पहले से कुछ बोल नहीं सकते क्या होगा. मतलब what would be the exact context वो तो मूवी देखने के बाद ही पता चलता है. मतलब होता है ना कि ट्रेलर आप देखने बैठे हो, ट्रेलर completely आपको कुछ और समझ में आ गया, movie is completely different, so that also can be happened, right? So yeah, whatever we have seen today, the official teaser, it is brilliant and brilliantly made. The camera angle, the cinematography, every single thing, like within a short period of time we liked it a lot. Like this only 1 minute
we thought of different kind of stories. That is also great, right?
So yeah, that is it for today's video. If you like our reaction and our explanation, please subscribe our channel if you have not already, and please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.